And I can guarantee you one thing. If you come to my open house, I promise you this, I will not have cookies. I don't bake. Hey everybody, hope everyone's doing well. So there's this saying in real estate, buyers don't want to be sold, buyers want to go shopping. I think I heard the great Tom Stanton tell me that many, many years ago. Shout out to you, Tom. Hope you're doing well, buddy. What's the best way to go shopping if you're a buyer? I would think it would be open houses, right? It's open house season again. The Eastern Shore, Central Baldwin, North Baldwin, South Baldwin. It's kind of getting to where it's open house madness all over again because there's a lot of inventory on the ground. We at Water's Edge, we promote open houses as well. We practice scripts and role playing in here. We've got 3 great open houses this weekend. I just want to sit here and promote really quick. David Beverly, our great David Beverly, who is our Heart Award winner for Water's Edge. Congratulations, buddy. You deserve it. He is sitting at 11115 Secretariat Boulevard in Daphne. That's in the Jubilee Farms subdivision. He'll be sitting on a Camden, which is a very popular floor plan. The orientation of this house is really cool. You've got sunrise to the back, sunset to the front. He's on a corner lot. Go by, see him. That's tomorrow between 2 and 4 in Jubilee Farms. Then we have Kelvin Bedoya. Kelvin's our rising star, super talented young man. He'll be sitting at 13362 Shoshone Circle in Fairhope Falls. Again, Fairhope Falls, located in Fairhope, great neighborhood, 2 pools, walking trails. He's sitting on a very clean, gold fortified floor plan as well with some privacy to the back. Go by, see him this Sunday between 2 and 4. Myself, I'm sitting in Silverhill. Silverhill's growing. There's a lot of excitement. I'll be sitting at 21180 Zippendale Lane. That is a resale Dsld, really clean, great corner lot. The grass is really green at this house. Privacy to the back, got a lot of trees. Come by, see me between 2 and 4. I'll be putting all the details below if you missed any of it. But open houses, get out there, shop. Right now, buyers, it's the best way to go look at inventory. It's the best way to get a feel for neighborhoods and areas. Grab your real estate agent, jump in the car with them, go tour these homes, ask questions. And I can guarantee you one thing. If you come to my open house, I promise you this, I will not have cookies. I don't bake. I don't do balloons. I don't do blow-ups, all that stuff. The one thing I will have is facts, data, everything you would need to know about the neighborhood, HOAs, CC&Rs. Same thing for all of my real estate agents. If you go to any of our open houses, you're going to get hit with a lot of collateral, a lot of facts. If you got questions and you're not represented by a real estate agent, speak up. Let us know what we can do to help you. If you have a real estate agent, we'd love to talk to your real estate agent. Have them come with you or give us a call. Let us know that you are coming so we can definitely do our job in the correct manner. So if you're looking for a home, get out, go shop, have fun. I know the market is up, down, whatever, right? Go have fun. Go look at homes. I can say this, me and Melissa are house shopping as well. We're looking to invest into another property, and I'm just like you guys. Just because I'm a real estate agent, I'm not special. I'm a buyer, I'm emotional, and I really don't know what to do either. But I know one thing, it's good to go look. It's good to get out, no strings attached. Go look at some homes. Look up on your favorite search engine, type in open houses, get out there, have fun, ask questions. I think it's a very, very healthy process. But again, Donny Parker, Water's Edge Realty, Central Baldwin. Open house season is here. I hope to see you guys out there. Bye.